Hi, my name is Andrea. I'm going to be talking about the erupting volcano. Today I'm going to ask a question. Do you think the volcano will erupt? The hypothesis. Yes, I do think that. Well, yes, I do think it will erupt. Experiment. First, add water to the bottle. 2. Add a pile of baking soda in the water bottle. 3. Add vinegar to the pile of baking soda. 4. Watch the volcano erupt. The observation is in the 3 ingredients.
And water?
The 3 ingredients and watch it.
The 3 ingredients.
The 3 ingredients I put was baking soda, vinegar, and water. The conclude: volcanoes are key parts of the Earth's system and open the window into the inner working of the planet. Cite your sources. Science Fair, Google 2023. Now, the line resources is that's the volcano, and the first experiment I tried vinegar and water and it did not work. Second one I tried baking soda, water, and vinegar and it worked. Okay. I'll pick my volunteer. 1.
That's enough.
Because it's like that.
First, we're gonna put the baking soda.
Hey, put on the other goggles.
Right now it's just the baking soda, so he's fine.
Put the baking soda.
It's gonna explode.
Shh.
Alright, now we're gonna put the vinegar.
Whoa! It got in my hands.